Are you looking for the best vlogging cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best vlogging cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Weak still photos. Not waterproof. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a vlogger's delight. It plays on the pain points of vlogging cameras. The feature-rich ones are too big to be carried everywhere and the small ones are often bare bones, and combines the best of both worlds. For instance, it packs a 1-inch sensor, the same size as the Sony ZV-1 II camera, to get more natural blur and improved low-light performance. The Osmo Pocket 3 is the best vlogging camera for people who work solo as it's small and compact. With that large sensor and 4K video capture, not only do you get high-quality video, but you also get features like face tracking to rotate and tilt to follow you around during filming. You can shoot for up to 2 hours before it needs a recharge, too. The only drawback is that it isn't very good for photos and it's not waterproof, so don't take it surfing or swimming. However, it's great for making YouTube or TikTok videos on the go, especially if you travel frequently. What the reviews say: one Amazon customer says, "I bought this camera and instantly fell in love with it. It was so easy to learn how to start using it. DJI has great videos that show you step-by-step tutorials on how to use it. The battery life is incredible and the quality is amazing for such a small camera. It can fit in my smallest purse, which makes it super convenient to bring it wherever the day takes you. 100% would recommend this to a friend." Number 2. Akaso V50 Elite. Sluggish operation and touchscreen. While the Akaso V50 Elite has many similarities to the latest GoPro Hero cameras, price is not one of them. This camera costs about 75% less than the most of the vlogging cameras on our list, but it can shoot up to 4K, at 60 frames per second, video. It's also waterproof, down to 131 feet, and offers an 8x optical zoom. Advanced image stabilization and the ability to switch between a narrow, medium or wide field of view are among its other features. At Amazon, the camera includes a handful of useful mounts and accessories, 2 batteries, a waterproof case, 6 mounts and more, that cost a fortune elsewhere. The camera itself measures just 2.4 by 1.6 by 1.2 inches and weighs a mere 2.8 ounces. You can control the Akaso V50 Elite via the camera's rear touchscreen and onboard buttons, voice commands, or from your smartphone via a mobile app. If you need an action camera that's as versatile as a GoPro action camera without the GoPro's price, this is the perfect option. What the reviews say: one Amazon customer says, "I used it for the first time on a kayaking trip near Hoover Dam. It's easy to use, and videos were great and sound was amazing. I had absolutely no issues. I also purchased the waterproof case, looking forward to using this on our upcoming vacations." Number 3. Sony ZV-1 II. Not designed for action footage. Expensive. The Sony ZV-1 II has the same 1-inch, 20.1 megapixel sensor as its predecessor, but this new model offers plenty of additional improvements. It features a new 18 to 50 mm, full-frame equivalent, f/1.8-4 lens, which gives you a wider perspective, making it the perfect walkabout point-and-shoot still camera or for use as a vlogging camera. Most of the vloggers want lightweight, portable and easy-to-use camera that produces high-quality footage, and the Sony ZV-1 II does exactly that. It features a lightweight body, Sony's product showcase and background blur features, plus a 2.7x optical zoom. The display can still point forward or backward, making it easy to frame your shots. You can still connect an external mic to the 3.5mm jack, but the built-in microphone is plenty good. The Sony ZV-1 II can also serve as a high-end webcam for live streaming. While this camera offers just about everything a vlogger could want, it's not waterproof or designed to be used as an action camera. This model works well one-handed with Sony's optional Bluetooth shooting grip. What the reviews say: one Amazon customer says, "I've been using this as my primary camera for my YouTube channel. The audio is good enough to use without a mic. The low-light performance isn't great, but is better than my old Canon T6 by a huge margin. It's way smaller and lighter than most and results in very long run time on my DJI gimbal. The gimbal also connects to the camera and has no lag in remote commands. Great choice for me. Number 4. Insta360 Go3. Action Pod is not waterproof. Unlike traditional action cameras, the Insta360 Go3 is a modular camera that can go anywhere. You can take out the camera module with a single press and attach it to anything that's made of iron, thanks to the magnets. It's great for point-of-view (POV) shots, especially with the pendant accessory that comes with it. In fact, our tester, Prakhar, recorded some amazing footage while playing soccer and riding bikes. The Insta360 Go3 records sharp, vivid 2.7K footage, with extra room to play around with the colors in post-production within the Insta360 app. It can be attached to an action pod for a GoPro-like form factor with a screen with intuitive controls. It doubles as a charging unit, too. For those that need a wider field of view, FOV, it goes as high as 134 degrees. It's limited to a 1440p resolution, but it's fine to crop in 9:6 or 1:1 for your reels or TikToks. What the writers say, Forbes vetted contributor Prakhar tested the Insta360 Go3 for a few weeks and says, the Insta360 Go3 can go anywhere, and since it's magnetic, it can attach to a wide variety of accessories or random poles and benches in public, if you want to record yourself. I like shooting in the free-frame video mode, which allows me to reframe the scene in post-production. It's the best compact action camera that you can buy right now. Number 5. Canon EOS R50. No weather sealing. Lacks built-in image stabilization. The Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera has a compact body that works with Canon's mirrorless RFS lenses and can capture 24.2 megapixel still images in 4K 30 frames per second video. This versatile camera has 651 focus points, powered by the Digic X image processor and dual-pixel CMOS AF2 autofocus system. Besides offering a vertical movie mode excellent for capturing content for TikToks, it has a close-up demo mode which is a must-have feature for content creators. The camera is lightweight and slightly smaller than the Canon EOS M50 Mark II, which uses Canon's EFM lens mount. The R50 works in a wide range of lighting conditions and can record up to 1 hour of video at a time. You get added shooting flexibility over competing models thanks to both a 2.34 million dot electronic viewfinder and a vari-angle touchscreen LCD. Canon's advanced A+ assist feature automatically adjusts the camera settings for you, to help you get the best shot every time. You can buy the R50 with the RFS 15 to 45mm f/4.5-6.3 ISSTM lens, as priced here, or you can buy the body separately for use with your other Canon lenses. An optional adapter lets you use this camera with EF mount lenses, too. The R50 lacks the weather sealing of Canon's pricier EOS R8, though, and it doesn't have image stabilization. What the reviews say, one Amazon customer says, I have been debating on getting a camera for a few months now, but I finally caved because I wanted a good camera for my wedding trip and honeymoon. Let me tell you, this camera did not disappoint. My husband and I both agree this has been our best investment of 2024. The quality of the photos is insane. It is also super easy to use, a great beginner camera.